Hey, Luke! Luke! This guy's alive or dead? I'm guessing they're dead.
I got him.
Got him?
No, I didn't get him, but I see him, I mean.
I want to go up there and support Luke.
Window across the street. Window. Want me to cover you? Want me to cover you?
Can you?
Yeah.
Oh, I see him. It's too high-low on this guy. Real quick.
I don't think we'll get an angle at low. But let's try.
So let me just do a quick popper then.
Okay.
Oh, fuck. Nope, didn't work. Got right in the eye.